You can score 360 out of 360 in NEET 2025 biology within just 250 days. Trust me, there is a plan. Well, what is the plan all about? We will be giving you shots each and every day, and in these shots, we will be giving you 1 to 2 topics to prepare, not more than that. And I think 1 to 2 topics are doable, right? So, apart from the topics that I'm going to give you, I will be also giving you 5 previous year questions. Why am I doing that? Because I want you to prepare the questions and the topic simultaneously so that it won't be a big trouble for you later on. And in this way, when we are doing it daily, you are not missing even a single chance to prepare for the toughest exam that you're thinking to crack off, right? Now we go ahead, what do we have next? Apart from this conceptual thing, apart from the PYQs, what is there extra about it? So, if you are not able to understand the concepts and if you are not able to solve the questions that I am giving you, I am here to help you. I'll be giving you detailed video on the same, where I'll be explaining in detail about the concept from the NCERT textbook, okay? And I'll be also telling you the page number from where you have to study. And I'll be solving those 5 questions that I gave you in the shots. And apart from that, if there is something extra that you need to study, I'll be providing you that as well. That's my promise. And what should be your promise? Your promise should be to stay consistent at this. You have to prepare daily. Now, apart from this, if you calculate the number of questions that you will be probably doing, so there are almost 215 days if I exclude the Sundays. And if I calculate 215 into 5 questions daily, I get almost around 1075 questions. Yeah. Now, what about the Sundays that I just excluded? We will be also having test series on Sundays. And how many questions are you supposed to solve in this? You might have to solve almost 30 questions. Just 30 questions? Is it too much to ask for? Again, it's something that is doable. Now, these 30 questions will be from the topics that we just prepared in a week. So this is not something extra, not something that you probably won't understand or you might feel difficult to do. Okay, it will be really easy. Now, once you are done with these 30 questions also, it's a great help for your future. Now, if we calculate the 30 questions into 35 Sundays that will be coming in the 250 days, it's almost around 1050 questions. Together, if we see the number of questions, how many number of questions do we have in hand? You almost solve 2000 questions, more than 2000 questions. So isn't it a big number? Yes, obviously. So as of now, when I say you this big numbers, that is 2000 plus question, obviously there might be a possibility that you are getting anxious, but let me tell you children, you are actually moving towards the exam that you're thinking of cracking, right? You're going towards your goal. So let's step on to this particular goal that we are planning to achieve. And I'm sure you will be able to achieve this. I invite you to join in this 360 out of 360 series and the NPL series. What is NPL? The test series that I was talking about. It is the NEET Premier League test series. So as I said, in this test series, you will be doing 30 questions every Sunday, and it will definitely boost up the confidence that you're having. And if you are thinking that what's the long-term effect of this? What is the use of all this thing that I am trying to do? It is consistency. I am going to reward you with consistency. So at this point of time, you are going to decide that you can become a topper, because consistency is something that transforms average into excellence, and consistency will be that something that will transform you also into a topper. So if you are in this journey with me, do not forget to comment down that, ma'am, we are in this journey and we are going to crack NEET together.